All right, there's still a little sun left, just enough time for another little fast project. So the doors on all these JDM cars are notorious for not staying open. They just close and slam shut. Let me show you what I mean. Yep, and if your leg is caught on the inside of that door, it does not feel good. So to correct it, I got this. These are door stays from a GTR R35, and here's the part number. It's pretty easy from what I understand. Just take off the door card, and it's held on with a 10mm nut on the inside of the car. So the first thing to do, take off the door card, take off the speaker, and see what's behind there. So let me get on that and I'll be right back. Now there's two clips, top and bottom, for the door ring, and you gotta slowly, carefully try to pry that. If you're not careful, you will break that thing right off. I think this is a OEM speaker. It says Nissan Toyota on the side. I'm not sure. Oh no, I forgot to lift the window up. Alright, there's two 10mm that's bolted to the doors and a single 10mm against the frame or whatever, I don't know, this. Alright, so let me get those off, I'll be right back again. There we go. It's the same left and right, so all you gotta do is swap them out, and let me do that really quick. I'll be right back again. Well, my bad. I should have looked at it first. These are a nut and bolt system. The other stock ones were screw in. I guess I have to find some 10mm nut and nuts. I have a lot of those somewhere, so let me grab those and I'll be right back. Okay, time to test it out, see if it works. Wow, this should have been the first mod that I ever did. Damn, I needed that so bad. All right, I'm gonna do the passenger side and we'll see how that is. I won't film it because there's no need to film that. I'll be right back again. Wow, this seriously was one of the mods that I should have did the very first day. In fact, if you own one of these JDM cars, this is something that seriously needs to be done. It is perfect now. Wow, that was super easy. The only difference is that the R35 door stays needs two 10mm nuts, not two 10mm. Oh, it needs two 10mm bolts, not nuts. These are the stock ones, and it takes a bolt that goes in here. The aftermarket, the R35, you need to use a bolt on the backside and bolt it in, and that is it. All right, that is it. That was so easy, so fast. The video probably only took, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes if I'm lucky. But the only difference between the 35 and the R34s, and I think you might be able to use these on the Silvias, I'm not sure, but the only difference is that the 35 uses two 10mm bolts, not nuts, not screws like how the 34s use. All right, well, this is pretty much it. I mean, it was so unbelievably fast. I have time to go play Call of Duty now. All right, that is it for today. I am super tired, like I said. So I will see you guys again. I still have a bunch of things I need to do to this thing, and I still need to get started on my 4Runner. There's too many things, not enough time in a day. As usual, I will see you guys on my next project.